Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to register for the Me Instant Funding prop firm. You enter the prop firm section, select Instant Funding, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Start Trading. We enter the registration section, enter our first and last name along with the email address, country of residence, and password. It is recommended to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then you repeat your password for confirmation. Agree to the website's terms by ticking the box, and click on Register. We enter the Sign-in section, enter our email address, then the password, and click on Sign In. We enter our account dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck!